she said, oh, we need to make sure she is secure when it's delivered. Hey Stush gang, welcome back to another day of STUSHMAS. Today is STUSHMAS day 17, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a luxury unboxing of my new Ysl card case. So I recently lost my card case and I have OCD, so I had to repurchase the exact same one. So I'm going to be updating you guys on how I lost my wallet, how I was able to find my replacement wallet, and also showing you guys what fits inside the Ysl card case that I picked up. I'll also go ahead and leave cards throughout the video so you can skip through if you've already heard how I lost my card case and all that, but I definitely recommend you watch it in full. So if you guys are interested, definitely stay tuned. Before we dive right into today's video, if you haven't already, make sure you leave your girl a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Stush Life. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So really quickly, I just want to go ahead and shout out the winner of STUSHMAS Day 15's video. The winner is, so let me go ahead and do my ghetto drum roll. Ding. Congratulations to you. I'll be reaching out to you if I haven't already, and I'll also go ahead and ship your goodies out. Definitely be on the lookout for more giveaways because I want to fit 2 more in this year's STUSHMAS series, so definitely make sure you watch each and every video in its entirety. So yeah, congrats to you again. Also, really quickly, just wanted to touch on the face. I'm wearing the Lancome powder foundation. Check out my powder foundation routine up above. Editing Stush, add the card. Lashes are lashes that I'm testing out for my lash business, and on the lips I'm wearing a few different lippies. Lancome lipstick in Mars and Morphe lip gloss in Flower Crown. And my heart earrings are from Madewell. I got them at Nordstrom. I'll go ahead and leave links to that down below if they're still available. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into it. So this is my Ysl card case. I haven't opened it as yet, even though I don't have a wallet right now. I figured I'd do my first luxury unboxing on camera with you guys so you guys could see my card case, because I actually don't think I've ever shown my card case on camera. So I mentioned that I ordered the exact same card case that I had in the past. So quick backstory for those that are new, have no idea about my wallet being lost. I lost the card case maybe 2 weeks ago. I went through cameras at the nail salon because that's where I thought I lost it. Didn't see anything on camera. I decided to try to see if I could find the exact same card case from Ysl that you guys will be seeing shortly. But when I went on the website, it said it wasn't available online. I had to find it in stores. My OCD was kicking in. I wanted the exact same card case. I initially ordered my first card case from Ysl on Nordstrom's website, but it was out of stock on Nordstrom as well. And online, Ysl, it said it was only available in stores. So I'm located in New York City. I called both of the stores in New York City and neither of them had it. I called Philadelphia because I'm like, okay, that's pretty close. Maybe they'll be able to ship it to me if they have it in stock. Nothing. I also called Jersey. Nothing. Something told me to call Atlanta. Maybe someone there can help me. When I called the Atlanta store, the employee told me that they just shipped it out and they think it's going to Woodbury Commons, which is an outlet in New York. So I tried calling Woodbury on the exact same day. No one answered the phone, so I'm like, damn, I really want this exact same card case. But no one answered the phone, so I was like, okay, I'll try again on another day. The next day, someone reached out to me from the Ysl store in Soho, and they were saying that they have the card case that I requested. And I'm like, I don't remember talking to anybody in Soho, but maybe when I inquired on the website, they sent the request to different stores just to reach out to me if they had the case. So when I confirmed with the person that texted me that it was the exact same case, I went ahead and placed my order. So it took about 3 days to come, and I got it yesterday. So fast shipping amidst the holiday season, you know, it could get very crazy during the holiday season. So enough chatting. I want to go ahead and open this case, and I'll go ahead and get into the details of the case and show you guys what can fit in there and all that good stuff. So this is what the box looks like. Very cute. Made a cute little bow, and it also came with this little envelope that includes my receipt, the receipt, And online, this card case retails for $295. That's how much I paid for it when I initially purchased it. But being that it was being shipped, or that's what the Atlanta worker told me, that they were being shipped to outlets, he told me that I would be able to probably get it at a cheaper price if I ordered it from Woodbury. But my lovely friend at the Soho location actually sold it to me for that exact same price. So I'm assuming that they already marked it down, because I am assuming that it's no longer going to be carried on the YSL website. So I did pay $199 before tax, and I paid $295 before tax when I initially bought it. So I saved a little coin. I love that, and I'm happy that I got the same case. So I'm sure by now you guys are probably like, okay girl, what does the case look like? So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let me get a cute little thumbnail first. Okay, I'm excited. When I say, if you watched STUSHMAS Day 16's vlog, then you saw when I got this in the mail and I was hella geeked. I wanted to open it right then and there because I've actually been walking around without a wallet or a card case for like the last 2 weeks. I'm talking no driver's license, no credit cards, no insurance cards, nothing, because I had everything in this card case. And I also just got my driver's license, my replacement driver's license in the mail today. So you ready? You ready? You ready? Let's go ahead and unravel. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wait, oh, she tied this up real nice. Hold on, got it together. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm super excited. Okay, wait. When I say I had to get the exact same case, because before I even bought my first case, I was looking online for the perfect case. And when I saw this one, I knew it was the one. So, got the sticker on it. Slide her out. Okay. Cute little dust bag. Are you ready? I'm 100% obsessed. So let me pull it out, show you guys, because I feel like I've been prolonging it, right? Pause. So oh, she is stunning. Stunning. Do you see the gold hardware? Do you see the leopard hearts? Timeless. I feel like this is a timeless piece. But let me just inspect it, because she looks beautiful. Details here on this little slip that came in here. And what is this? What is this? Oh, just a blank piece of paper. So this card case is called, on YSL's website, it is called the Monogram card case in heart-shaped leopard print leather. So it has 5 slots. It's decorated all over with heart-shaped leopard print motif and metal YSL initials at the center. For details, 100% calf skin, gold-toned metal hardware, interior with 5 card slots made in Italy. This is she. Do you see why I had to get the exact same card case back? It's just beautiful. And when I initially ordered it on Nordstrom's website, I knew that this was the one because I felt like it could go in pretty much any bag. A red bag, a black bag, a green bag. Like, you can put this in any bag and I feel like it would match. And I just feel like it's a timeless piece. The hearts sold me. I love hearts all over things. The proof is right here, self-plug. This is my lash box from my lash business. You see the heart-shaped design, the heart cutout. Yes, so when I saw this, I knew it was the one. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. There's been no movement on my actual cards that were in my old case. So I'm still praying that someone found my wallet and they're going to ship it to my address. We'll see. But in that event, I'll have 2 of these and I'll be totally fine with that. Again, this is what the card case looks like. This is the front and this is the back. I'm so excited. So excited, so happy. Shout outs to Angela at the Soho store on Broome Street. You are God sent, ma'am. You are God sent. When I say I was depressed, I'm being dramatic, but if you know, you know. I was low-key, like my friends know, I was low-key depressed for like 3 days. Like, I was really sad, like really sad. And then Angela and God came through. So let's see what fits in this card case. So I just told you guys that my actual driver's license just came in the mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in here. I'm gonna put one of my Victoria's Secret cards in here as well. Put that in there. I'm also gonna put another card in here, slide that in. I'm gonna put my old health insurance card in here, slide that in, because again, I told y'all I lost all these cards. All these cards were in the wallet. I actually had 2 health insurance cards, 2 credit cards, my Cash App card, a $2 bill, a Sephora gift card. I had a lot in this one card case. But so far I have 4 cards in here. I'm also going to add 2 in the middle slots right in here. And you can also fit money in here as well. All these fit nice and comfortably in the card case, as you guys can see. So I'm very, very, very ecstatic about having the card case back in my hands. Like when I say, I love this card case so much. I love this card case so much. So if you want to pick this card case up, I'd say to go on the website. I'll leave the link down below. Go on the website and just try to see if any stores near you have it. Definitely check out your outlets. If you have any YSL outlets near you, check them out, because I know this is being sold at a discounted price. So you never know, you might catch it in stores, but you might also catch it at the outlet. But they do have a ton of other styles online. I just wanted this exact one because the design was just everything to me. Let me know if you guys like this case. I was very upset at the fact that I lost everything in the card case. I've literally been using Apple Pay for the last 2 weeks, and I haven't really been able to order some stuff that require me to put in my card. So if I can't Apple Pay it, I can't buy it right now. I'm happy that I have this again, and I'm happy that I'm happy that all my replacement cards are on their way to me. So I just want to shout out Angela again on Broome Street. If YSL y'all watching this, she needs a raise. I really thought that I was not gonna get this card case again. So I'm very happy that I have it again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick and mini unboxing, my very first luxury unboxing on my channel. I know it's something short, I know it's something sweet, but I definitely would like to do a few more of these on my channel. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this one. I hope I provided you with all the details that you needed, and I hope you enjoyed my quick little story time as well. So if you did enjoy today's video, don't head out before leaving your girl a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to join my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Turn on your post notifications as well, so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And be sure to also follow me on Instagram at the Stush Life. Also wanted to shout out the giveaway winner once again. Be on the lookout for more giveaways in this STUSHMAS 2021 series. And until tomorrow's video, I'll see you guys all later. Bye. What it do? Hey Stush. Okay.